Hi everyone, I'm your host Neil Balthaser and welcome to Ultra Mobility Mini Review, where I cover just the essentials in a 5-minute RV review. Today we're getting an overview of a 2018 Winnebago Era 70M. The Era 70M is one of only a few Class B vans on the market with a dry bath and the only Class B on the market with a slide-out. Like all Eras, the 70M comes with the 3-liter V6 Mercedes Sprinter diesel engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission that delivers 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque. This is the upgraded Mercedes chassis that has all the Mercedes safety features, including lane keeping, crosswind and blind spot assist, as well as collision detection, automatic high beams, and windshield wipers. This is a 170-inch wheelbase Sprinter chassis, which means you also get dually rear wheels, and Winnebago has also opted for the extended length chassis, which means that the 70M's length is 24 feet 3 inches, 1.5 feet longer than the standard length 170-inch wheelbase Sprinter chassis. So it's definitely one of the longest Class B vans available on the market today. You'll be taking up 2 standard parking spaces with this coach. This is not a 4-season coach. There are water lines and holding tanks exposed to the outside, and none of the water lines are wrapped in heat tape, nor is there an option to add heat pads to the holding tanks. You will need to winterize this coach. On the inside, there is one layout option with your lounge/bedroom up front, your galley along the passenger side, and your bathroom in the rear. Your galley is well equipped with a 3-burner propane stove, one of the largest in its class, although there is no induction option, a stainless steel sink, a large compressor refrigerator with a separate freezer, a convection microwave, plenty of storage, and a flush mount counter extension. The bathroom is a 3-piece dry bath, which means the shower is separate from the rest of the bathroom. This is one of the only Class B vans that can boast a dry bath. In your lounge, a pedestal table can be set up, and when the cab seats are swiveled around, you have seating for 4. But the major attraction in this coach is that there's a slide out here where the sofa is. Just extend out the wall and drop the sofa electrically to convert your lounge into a bedroom. You have 2 interior decor options, Fusion and Quantum. As far as the exterior detailing, Winnebago has opted for dark tinted automotive type windows and minimal graphics, which is the trend. The polished stainless steel rocker panel trim is an upgrade that comes directly from the factory and helps to give this coach an automotive look. There are 2 exterior color options available, graphite gray metallic and brilliant silver. The 70M comes with some nice standard features, including a 2.5 kilowatt liquid propane generator, a side screen door, whole coach water filtration, 200 watts of solar on the 2019 model year, multiplex wiring with mobile app controls, and a large skylight in the lounge. However, one of the biggest upgrades, which is available on all the other Era floor plans, is missing on the 70M, and that's the optional Mercedes Direct 4-wheel drive chassis upgrade. The 70M comes with a 1-year, 15,000-mile coach warranty and no roadside assistance. As far as price, the MSRP for the base model 70M is $143,000, but as of the date of this video, I've seen dealer advertised prices for base model Era 70Ms for $98,000. If you're in the market for a Mercedes Sprinter camper van with a dry bath, then you need to watch my full review of the Era 70M, where I'll dive into the details and give you my final buying recommendation coming out later this week. Okay, that wraps it up. If you enjoyed this week's mini review, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember to ring that little bell to be notified when mini reviews like this drop on my channel. And thanks for watching Ultra Mobility Mini Review, where I cover just the essentials in a 5-minute review. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.